Good evening and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Reggae singer Etana seems to have veered away from her usual conscious lyrics, releasing a very sultry love song, My Man, featuring controversial dancehall couple Marvin the Beast and dancehall queen Nikisha.
There's no lie, no other guy can feel me man love me woman in style. My man, me tell him I'm a king, everything when me give up to him. My man.
The outspoken crooner sought to explain the concept behind the song, stating that she thought the media and other members of civil society are often too willing to vilify males and that My Man served to elevate and uplift the good men out there. Prior to this release, Etana was thrusted into the spotlight due to what people considered inappropriate comments regarding the US President Donald Trump. In other music news, Sam Smith fans, the wait is over. The artist is preparing to release a new album. The soulful singer shared the news via his Instagram page, hinting at his upcoming single, Too Good at Goodbyes, which will be released on September 8. The album, not yet titled, will be a much anticipated follow-up to his 2014 debut album, In the Lonely Hour. That's 3 years ago, which earned him numerous award nominations and Billboard accolades. The summer as we know it has ended, and our Smile Jamaica team made every effort to usher us out in style with their Summer Sizzler concert. Fans flooded the grounds of Emancipation Park on Friday to join in on the celebration of not only the programs, but TVJ's 20th anniversary. The show was supported by some big names in the industry, including Queen Ifrica, Nesbeth, and Ding Dong. E-Prime shares this exclusive look.
Times like these, I'm missing our heroes. They go round, shouldn't have to be like this. Oh, Miss Lou, we need you.
TVJ, hey, friend, I'm sure I'll be a friend. No one see everybody else say Emancipation Park, give up to that. Hey, TVJ, when everybody know friend. So, I'm sure I'll be a friend. Hey, I'm sure I'll be a friend. Hey, what you want to speak and talk with your mind,
I just want to say thank you for being there for everyone, for the little boys and girls, and just opening doors for everyone. Thank you, TVJ.
TVJ, I thank you that putting on this. It's a nice show, and they do all that for the kids right now.
TVJ keep something I have to come. Because I stay home and I watch TVJ, I just couldn't wait for today to come. I'm not gonna lie, I enjoy myself. Happy birthday, TVJ! I love Jamaica, I love TVJ, so it's a good combination, you know?
No, TVJ, big up on yourself. I don't care what kind of appearance TVJ call me for. I always make it.
TVJ event, mad thing. Back to school, beer love, beer peace in Jamaica, right?
We have to say big up to TVJ celebrating 20 years in the business. And you know, it's Jamaica premier television station, you know. And of course, it's summer now, you have a lot of kids back to school. What a better way to celebrate back to school right now, to give a free concert right here in Emancipation Park.
And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Have a good evening.